Hello, everyone. This is Daniel Oliver with the Nizwa University of Technology and Applied Sciences e-learning committee. This is a very short video for both students and teachers to make sure that you are ready to take your listening final exam or any other listening exam on Blackboard. The first thing that you need to be aware of is the proper device settings, and that means your laptop, tablet, or whichever device you are using according to the exam rules. Your device volume must be on because, of course, you're going to listen, so you need to make sure that you're actually ready to do that as soon as you push play. Now, the app settings apply to Google Meet or Zoom or whichever platform your instructor or invigilator has given you so that they can monitor you while you take the exam. After you have logged in to either of those apps, you need to make sure that your camera is on, and the camera must stay on for the entire exam. However, the volume of your app, whether it's Zoom or Google Meet or something else, must be mute for the entire exam. This means that if for any reason you have a question or a problem and you need to communicate with your teacher, you do not open your microphone. Rather, you chat with them or you send them an email. But if you can imagine every other student being online at the same time as you, if you start talking, that will interrupt their exam, especially if they are listening. Now that you've done all that, you will enter your exam on Blackboard. Follow your instructor's instructions for that, whether it involves a password or not, that's up to them, and they will email you that information. Then you will be in your listening exam. This is just an example. You may have slightly different wording in the exam that you open. Scroll down until you find a link, and that link is to the audio file of your listening exam. Now pay very careful attention to what's going to happen next, because when I click this link, a new window is going to open and the listening will begin immediately. What I'm going to do after that is go back to this window so that I can listen while I look at the exam questions. Here we go. As you can see, a new window has opened and it is playing. My volume right now is on mute for exam security, but as you recall, your volume must be on. Now, you simply go right back to the exam page and you can scroll down so that you can answer the questions while you're listening. Okay, that's it. The last thing for you to remember once again is that if you have any question or problem, you do not open your microphone. Rather, you send a chat or an email to your invigilator. Thanks for listening and good luck with your exams.